going on, guys? It's your boy Vegatech here, and today we are going to take a look at the AirFox Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Alright guys, before we get started, just hit that subscribe button, bro. Just hit the button. Let's get on moving. You want to know about some other stuff, some tests, just hit the button, bro. Hit the button. And let's move on. Now, I picked up the AirFox K20 Bluetooth wireless rechargeable keyboard, which I really like, by the way, for a few reasons. One, it's rechargeable. 2, it has backlights, backlit, whatever you want to call it. It has colors, 7 different colors to be exact, which I don't really need, but I like it and I got it. So there you go. Now, it is iOS compatible, Windows, your phone, your mama's phone, the tablet, anything else you can think of that has Bluetooth, it works with. Even if your sister, doesn't matter. Anyways, if it's Bluetooth, it is compatible. Period. That's what I like about it. And this is actually working really, really well with my Mac Mini that I have. And I have not had issues at all. This has been a month that I have this product. And I am just now getting to it. And I am going to say, it is an amazing product. Amazing. Very amazing. And I love it. And I love it. That's another thing. I love the keyboard. I've did so much research on what type of keyboard I want with this Mac Mini. And I love it. I love this AirFox K20 model. It has not caused any issues. It has not broken down on me or caused, malfunctions. Easy setup. Very easy that your granny's granny can hook it up. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this product. Okay, so here is the box that it came in, and it is the AirFox Bluetooth keyboard, ultra thin, model number K20. All right, so, okay. On the back, it says the Bluetooth keyboard, and obviously it gives you all your little steps here on how to connect, what it does, what it does not do. All right, so here's the keyboard. As you can see, it is very thin. I really like it, how thin it is, and very shiny on the back. Very shiny, which I don't really touch the back much, so it's not really gonna cause too much of a fingerprints for me. I don't really care for it anyways. Who's really gonna type on the back or do something weird with the back? Anyways, you have the on button, or the on and off switch, I should say, right here. You switch over and you can turn it on, turn it off, and that's pretty cool. Here's your rubber feet for it. On each corner it has it, so it doesn't slide everywhere, which is really cool, which is really good, because I've seen some keyboards that do not have that, which really sucks. Now, let's test out, and this button right here is going to be the light key, which I have it set to green, which you could make it brighter, which is 2 settings. So you press it once, it's kind of low light, press it again, and it's brighter for your keys. Now, if you hold it and press up, it will change colors, which you have purple. I want to say that's a lime. That's an aqua blue. That is white. That is red. That is blue. And back to green. And I think I'm missing some colors. Anyway, there's pink. And so on and so on. Anyways, so once it's on, if you want it, automatically you press it once and it lights up with a dim. Hit it again, it brights up even more. Okay, so to pair, you would have to hold down the FN button and the C button together for 3 seconds until you'll see a Bluetooth, or I'm gonna take that back, a blue light blinking. So once it starts blinking, that means it's ready to pair with anything that is Bluetooth, basically.
So you can turn on your computer, your phone, your tablet, your Mac, your iPad, it doesn't matter, it will connect to it. It's iOS, Windows compatible, so you can basically hook it up to anything. Now, what I have to say, when you want to hook it up to your Windows, you would have to hit the function, the FN button, and the W, and it has WIN on it, which is for Windows. Same thing for Mac. Hit FN and then the E button, which has iOS. And then for Android phones, you would hit the FN and Q, and it'll automatically set the keyboard to that, which is really cool. So this is a very cool product, a very cool keyboard. I really like it. Has not caused any issues. The charge has not died on me. It's fully charged and it's been going on for a long time now. I want to say this is what, a month, a little less than a month or so. But yeah, this is a great keyboard for any product out there as of right now, and especially for the price.
Alright guys, there you have it. There's a quick review on the AirFox Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Now, if you're in the market for a keyboard, I really suggest you guys give this a look. Like, just take a little look at it, check it out, check out the other reviews. I really like this keyboard. It is very sleek, very thin, and very easy to use, and it connects to iOS, the Windows, your Androids, the phones, and the list goes on. I have tried it on a lot of products and it connects without a problem whatsoever, which is AKA amazing. Amazing. Now, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and you've been watching Fake Attack.